Okay, so in this video, I want to show you how to create a bio page. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to your profile and make sure that your profile is set up 100%. And you're going to want to do that on all your profiles. And at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Northwest, we have 4 different profiles. So make sure you set up all 4 of those. Now the important stuff is all the way down here at the bottom. So you want to make sure that all your social media links are squared away. And then you want to make sure that your MLS ID is in there. And for some reason mine isn't. So, oh yeah, it's in there. So make sure your MLS ID is in there because that will pull in all your listings. It'll pull in all your solds, all that good stuff. Now if you have any languages or specialties, here we go. Now, what's really important is make sure that you're real satisfied and your Zillow is set up. The easiest way to do that is just simply go to Google and then Google yourself. So Paul Frank Real Satisfied. And you'll see here that it pulled up my Paul Frank Real Satisfied. And then all you want to do is copy this end part here. So if you copy this end part and then put it in your profile, it'll put your real satisfieds on there. So I'm going to leave this one because I don't have any, because I don't sell real estate anymore. So I'm going to leave Zenka in there. And then same thing for Zillow. Just go to Zillow, Google yourself, and then your name will pop up. And then make sure you hit submit on all those. So make sure you're good to go on your profile. Next thing I always recommend that you do is upload any photos that you're going to use prior to planning this page and doing all that stuff. So as you can see, I got a bunch in here, and it's very, very easy to do. Just add my image, find the image on your computer, give it a description. This is the folder it's going to be in our new category. So let's do a bio page category, right? So we create a new one. You got to click you agree that you own all these and then save image, okay? And then the images will pop up here and you'll see that they have image locations. So if I click on that and then I go to the website, I just put a URL in there, that photo will pop up, okay? So that's good if you're in the website and you're looking for an image URL and then ask you for that. Now you know where to get it. Okay, so I always do my images first instead of doing them as I go through. So let's do a bio page, and then we're going to do interior pages. Okay, we're going to add a profile page. And then the bio page. Now you can pick any one of these that you want to do. The one I have set up already is the bio page. And then I highly recommend though that you do a video page. Just put a quick 30-second video together that shows who you are and what you do and maybe the niche you want to be in, that kind of stuff. Just a quick 30-second video. And then hit create. Now I'm going to hit create and it's going to kick me out because I already have one. I already have a bio page. So so now what we're going to do is we're going to edit it. So once you name it and all that good stuff, it will pop up as a bio page. And where did my bio page go? Profile page. So here it goes. It comes up as profile page, and then I want to edit that page. And as I edit it, you can see there's my dog. You know, figure out what you want to put in here. This should be your value proposition or something like that, an intro, and then however you want to do it. Now, it should show your real satisfied testimonials here, and it'll show your Zillow ones over here, and I'll show you the page. Now, it also pulls up all your solds and all your actives and all that good stuff. So it will automatically add your listings, your solds, your real satisfied testimonies, and your Zillow testimonies for you. Okay, so once you've edited this top part, it's very easy, just images and then or interior pages, and then whatever you want to put in there pops up. Okay, so current listings, home sold, you can change those featured if you want in the resume settings to be certain price range or certain category, or go back a certain time frame. Okay, so very easy to change all this stuff. You can get into the page editor, and let's say I want to get rid of that photo, so I'm going to get rid of that photo. If you want to add the photo again, you just go to image library because we already uploaded those images. If you didn't already upload the images, it's okay. You can do it here, although I believe once you go through the process and do it here, it's going to kick you out. You'll have to go back in. But that's okay. So I'm going to save that, and it got rid of that last photo down there. Okay, so that's easy, and then click Publish Page. And then once you publish the page, you're going to go to your navigation settings, edit navigation, and you can see mine's already added on here, so let's just remove it so I can show you how to do this. Okay. Oops. So I'm going to do all. You can do profile page and it'll show up here. Also, you can do all, and all the pages will pop up. So I'm going to click Paul Frank. I'm going to add it to the navigation. It always adds it to the top. So I'm going to drag it down here on the bottom. You always want to open it in a new tab. That way, if they close that window, it doesn't close your whole website. It just closes that one tab. And then you're going to publish navigation, okay? Now you see it is right here. That's where it was before. Here it is right here again. Now what I do want to show you is the website. I'm going to close the old website that I had up. You'll see Paul Frank bio page. And you'll see all the stuff. I got rid of that one photo. It shows my Zillow ratings. And it shows, now shows Zenka's, but since I don't have any, I stole hers. So it shows all your ratings, all your satisfieds. It shows your home sold. I don't have any actives, so it's not pulling up actives. So that's it. That's your bio page. So pretty easy. Only takes a couple minutes.